Good morning students. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video we will learn about lines and angles, and on the behalf of lines and angles we will solve some queries. So let's start. Question number 1, that is lines PQ and R. PQ and RS. They are intersect at point O. PQ and RS line intersect point O, and it is given POR ratio ROQ, that is equal to 5:7. POR ROQ, the ratio in between these two angles, that is 5:7. So first we will write given parts. So here line PQ and PRS, they are intersect each other at point O, and angle POR ratio ROQ, that is equal to 5:7. If the angles or anything else, they are in proportion in the ratio, so what should you do? You just multiply the with the same number with a constant. So we can multiply with the same variable, that is 5x and 7x. Okay beta. So now you need to find, in this question we need to find all the angles of made by these two intersecting lines. Okay, solution. You need to find out the solution first. So PQ, this one, PQ is a line. So angles in between made up on this line, that is 5x and 7x. 5x and 7x. The sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. Why they are making 180 degree? Because of linear pair. So the value of POR, that is 5x. The value of ROQ angle, that is 7x. When you are adding these two angles, that is 12x, it is equal to 180 degree. With the help of algebraic formula or algebraic identities, you can solve the value of for x. So it is 15. Now you know very well, when the line are intersecting, this angle may equal to this angle is equal to that angle. So these two are equal, these two are equal. I am making the same sign. I am denoting by similar sign here, double lines, and this single line. I am representing this angle single line. Same for this angle. It represents both the angles are equal. ROQ is equal to POS. That is equal to 7x. Now put the value of x. 7 into 15, that is 105 degree. In the similar manner, we can find out 5. If we can find out 5x is equal to this angle. This is also 5x. 5 into POR, that is equal to POR. If I am writing here POR, that is equal to 5 into 15, equal to 75 degree, and this is also equal to SOQ, yeah, QOS. So you can easily find out one value. One of the value is angle. These two angle is 105 degree and these two angle is 75 degree. Now next question is ray OY. This is your ray. This is ray OS. This is ray OS. Stands on a line PQ. This ray stands on POQ and OR and OT. These two rays, OR and OT, are the angle bisector of angle POS and SOQ respectively. So find the value of ROT. What will be the value of ROT? Let me explain it again one more time. I am explaining this concept again. Here POQ is a line, it is given. Here although OS is a ray in which OR is a ray which divides into two equal parts, it means this angle is equal to that angle. If I am saying this is 30 degree, so it is also making 30 degree here. Okay. Now the next is this angle SOQ. This the ray OT divides the SOQ into two equal halves. It means angle 3 and angle 4 both are equal. I am taking POQ is a line. POQ is a line in which this part is given POS. 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 This angle is represented as X. This angle is represented as X beta. This angle is represented as X. Now, what will be the, when we are adding POS to SOQ, it makes 180 degree because both the angles, we are not considering these rays. We are these and this part will be, angles are here. One is POS and other one is SOQ, or you can say QOS. These two angles make 180 degree. We are representing this part as X. X is equal to SOQ, that is, if we are transposing this number, so X will be in negative sign. How can we define ROS? ROS part. ROS. This part. This is angle 2. This is angle 2 shown here. So, angle 2 is equal to half of this and this complete. They are equal now, both are equal, and this makes X. So, what will the angle value? 2, that will be X by 2. Total is X. Up to this part, this is X, and this, these two parts are equal. So, angle 2, if I am saying angle 1 is also X by 2 and angle 2 is also X by 2. So here I am writing ROS. Why I am taking ROS? Why I am not taking POR? How can we remind this thing? Because we need to find out ROT, which is made up of two angles. One is ROS and other one is SOT. That's why I am taking ROS here. Okay, beta? So it will be X by 2. And another part, this is SOT. SOT, angle 3 and angle 4. Both are equal. Angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. So SOQ, if I am saying SOT is angle 3. That is equal to half part of this, half part of SOQ, half part of SOQ, because both parts are equal. So we are interested only one part. We need to find out the value of one part. So we will divide by 2. Here will be 90. It is divided by both the terms. So it is divided 180 divided by 2, that is 90, and X is divided by 2, it is X by 2. Now ROS plus SOT makes the complete angle ROT. ROT is equal to ROS plus SOT. ROS is X by 2. SOT is equal to 90 minus X by 2. Then we are cut down X by 2 minus X by 2. What will be the left behind? That is 90 degree. So ROT is equal to 90 degree. So our next question is, in this figure is given, in this question figure is given, and they are saying OP, OS, OR, OQ. These are all four rays. You need to prove that angle POQ, QOR, angle ROS, and then SOP is equal to 360 degree. You need to prove the angles made by these four rays, it is equal to 360 degree. As we know that a point, an angle made on a point, that is equal to complete angle, that is equal to 360 degree. So we need to prove this. We have written what we have given here, what we need to prove here, we need to write. So for doing this question, because there is no line, no straight line is here, so we need to construct a straight line. For this, we are constructing a ray, that is O to T, OT, which is backward to OQ. Okay, beta, that is E, backward to OQ, and it makes a TQ line. Here it makes a TQ line. Okay, so Because TOQ is a line. Now it is a proof part. How we will prove it? As we know TOQ is a line, the angle on TOQ, that is equal to angle TOQ to TOP and TOQ. They make equal to 180 degree. Why they are equal to 180 degree? Because they are making linear pair and we are marking as first equation. Now the second one is T. Now this line is made on the downward side. Here are three angles. One is TOS, SOR and the other one is ROQ. These three angles, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are also made on a line, straight line. So the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree because they are making straight angle. Adding this and this. When we are adding, so left side add with left side and right side with add with right side. 180 plus 180, it makes 360 degree and we are adding these all the angles. We are adding all the angles. Now TOP. Now tell me TOP and TOQ. When we are combining, because it is not given, it is we are taking T is not a given point. This is a virtual point which we are taking. Okay. So if we are combining these two angles, TOP and TOS, so they make POS. That's why I am writing here these two angles. I can write SOP, angle SOP, or you can write as POS. Now the same thing, POQ, I am writing here. This angle is here. This one is SOR. This is also here. ROQ is here. They make 360 degree. Hence proof, which we need to prove. So it is hence proof. This is for lines and angles. Hope you like the video. Try to solve the question. Thank you so much.